Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce. My name is Junita Dwi Wardani. I am from University Muhammadiyah of Surakarta, Faculty Education and Teacher Training, Early Childhood Education Study Program. I will present my paper with the title is ICT-based literacy stimulation in developing early childhood literacy skill. I will share my PowerPoint. Okay, ICT-based literacy stimulation in developing early childhood literacy skill. Literacy is a strategy to get all information needed in the life. In relation to the low early literacy skill of children, safely program the field, beberapa kejadian yang ada di lapangan yaitu one, the regulation state that literacy stimulation must be provided through playing activities, ya. But the reality on the ground is different. Literacy stimulation provided is still teacher-centered. 3. The lack of standardized learning models on how to support a learning environment that is beneficial for the development of literacy skill of elementary school students in the early grades. The low early literacy skills of children are due to the lack of teacher rules in using ICT. The result of interview during a preliminary study of the use of computer, LCD, and laptop in school are still very minimal. Yeah. Data in the field shows that the biggest obstacles the school in integrating technology is the infrastruktur factor, ya, 63%. Ya, jadi paling banyak adalah faktor infrastruktur 63%. In this study, the ability read and write was measured using a measuring instrument early literacy skill, Ruhaina instrument with 5 component of children early literacy. 1, literacy skill. 2, phonological awareness. 3, basic reading skill. 4, basic reading skill. And 5, reading motivation. Jadi kami menggunakan Ruhaina dalam pengukuran instrumen. Okay. The initial survey involved 1,100 early childhood children, and so that children ability to understand language was 6.78%. Children's phonological awareness reached 5.73%. Basic reading skill were 6 and 5%. Basic rating scale were 7.8%. And children motivation in reading 3.37%. It can be concluded that based on criteria for the initial literacy ability of kindergarten B children in Solo Raya, the accumulation has only reached 30.16% of the expected. Ya, jadi masih rendah ya, 30,16%. The use of ICT is something that cannot be avoided. Hidayatullah. This indicated that the influence of information technology is very large, and we cannot deny that we need technology in education. Many studies discuss the important role in ICT in early childhood education. Mars Watline. By using ICT, children become very active and independent learners. What and layer. Yes. Introduction, literacy having an effect on children such as creativity, critical, and logical thinking. Literacy stimulation should be carried with a caution and pressure that fun and accordance with child's age. A learning approach is needed where teacher must be able to stimulate, guide, assess, and direct their student to improve literacy. ICT-based literacy stimulation is a learning approach that uses software-fast literacy. Research question and objective question. Research question, does ICT-based literacy stimulation is effective to improve early childhood literacy skills? Research objection, to determine the effectiveness of ICT-based literacy stimulation to improve early childhood literacy skill. Method. Research design, experimental research. Design model, quasi-experimental with one group pretest post-test. Research subject, children aged 5 to 6 years who attend kindergarten in Solo. Oh, 133,000 consisting of 69 children control group and 64 experimental group. Data electing, observation, interview, documentation, and questionnaires. Data analysis. One way ANOVA technique to determine the difference in literacy abilities of children who receive treatment. Experimental class and children who receive conventional learning to control class, ya. Experimental class and children who receive experimental and learning control class. The N-gain score technique to determine the level of effectiveness of learning. To calculate normally homogeneity and F test, ya, UGF test using SPSS version 22 program. Result, at the beginning of the activity, the teacher give a pretest related to the early literacy skill of children aged 5 to 6 years before being given the test stage action to the experimental group teacher. The post-test questionnaire given is the teacher assignment the children who have implemented ICT-based literacy stimulation. The post-test questionnaire was the same as that given during the post-test. Based on the post-test result, the children early literacy skill in the control group 65.6 and the experimental group 80.90. The conclusion of the initial ability of the two populations is the balanced state. Based on the result of the calculation of the NCAN score, it shows that the average value of the NCAN score for the experimental class is 57.6%, which is included in a quite effective category. We can see in data, initial field data, data after treatment, and data ideal. We can see that understand language in color green, 10.3, basic writing skill 9.56, phonological awareness 6.91, basic reading skill 4.48, motivation to read 1.24. So initial field data total 32.49%. For daftar after treatment, for understand language 25.97, basic writing skill 20.17, phonological awareness 19.55, basic reading skill 11.11, motivation to read reach 5.43. So data after treatment total 2.23%. Discussion. The literacy component of children is being to able to understand language 30.6%. Basic writing ability 24.3% is the second most important criterion after language ability. Phonological awareness 24.1% is the level of sensitivity that children have to the structure of sound in oral language. Basic reading skill 30.7% according to Snow. Basic reading skill in children and the ability the name letter and write them down, spell simple word, recognize letter and sign around, identify books and title and carry out activities related to reading. Reading motivation 7.3%. The quality of effective interaction when reading books to children is the stronger indicator for the image the children's interest of motivation to read. Conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion. Stimulation of ICT-based literacy is effective in improving the literacy skill of early childhood 4 to 6 years. The effectiveness of obtained based on the NCAN test, the experimental group score was 57 and 57%, quite effective. The application of the ICT-based literacy is also able to make children actively and independently involved in various stages in the activity. Suggestion: teachers and parents can maximize their role as facilitators in developing teachers' early literacy skills. Teacher and parent can stimulate ICT-based literacy in learning and assist children in learning to read. A conducive and pleasant atmosphere need to be created so that the literacy stimulation process carried can run optimally and fun. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.